Okay, so let's try and explain this better. I've got 7x squared plus 8x plus 1 is the actual thing that we're using. So we've put the 7x squared into the middle and the 1 at the end. So we need two numbers that multiply together that make 7. So that has to be 7 and 1 because it's prime, we've got no option. If we add an x to each of those, multiplying the x's will give us the x squared. But theoretically, you don't put a 1 in front of the x there. So I'm going to get rid of that now just to make it right. And then we need two numbers that multiply together to make 1. And again, because it's prime, we've got no option apart from to go 1 and 1. So when we multiply this out, we'd go 7 times 1 would give us 7x, and x times 1 would give us 1x. Okay, so that gives us, oh, I haven't got enough space, 7x squared plus 7x, that's that and that, plus x plus 1. And that can be simplified down. So I've got 7x squared, that's that. Then these two both are just x's, so I can link them or group those together, simplify it, which would give us 8x plus 1. Okay, that one was quite straightforward because of it all being prime numbers. So I've got another one here we can try that's going to be slightly harder because it uses different numbers. Let's grab a pen. Okay, so this time we have 3y squared plus 10y minus 8. So we start by drawing our noughts and crosses grid. And we put the 3y squared into the center. And then we put the minus 8 into the bottom right. Okay, so our options for 3 only splits into 1 and 3. So we've got no option apart from to make that 1y and 3y's. Okay, 8 will split into 1 and 8, 2 and 4. So I'm going to suggest that we try 2 and 4. Okay, at this point it's a little bit of trial and error, but I find this the easiest method. So if we multiply those, so 3 times 4 gives us 12y, 2 times 1 equals 2y. We're sort of close, but we need this to be a negative and we need it to add together to make 10. So if we make that minus 2, 12 take 2 would then give us 10y. So when we simplify this, we've got 3y squared plus 12y minus 2y minus 8. Okay, so simplifying this, we've got 3y squared plus 10y because 12 take 2 minus 8. So that ticks this over here. So it's a case of finding numbers that multiply to give you the factors, but will add to make the center number. But laying it out on the grid seems to make it easier to visualize it, to actually help you see it. So I hope that helps. And I haven't just spoken a load of waffle. Either way, have a really brilliant new year and see you soon.